Welcome back to Russ Works for a special Mother's Day project.
Frozen in a crowded room.
Okay, so first step, rip some pages out of a book that you don't care about. Then grab a ruler, because you're going to need to make perfect squares.
My love, will I taste your kiss again?
Now that you have your perfect squares, you're going to want to fold them in half into triangles 3 times. Okay, so at this point you're going to be cutting off the tip and then turning around to the other end and cutting a curve so they look like little ice cream cones. Now that you have your flowers cut out, you're going to remove 1 petal off the first flower and then 1 additional petal off of each flower after that until you're down to 1. Now that you have all your petals cut out, you're going to take the single and double petals and curl them into tubes. After those are complete, you take the rest of the petals and just curl the tips so they look more like flowers. Once all your petals are done, now it's time to hot glue them and overlap them together.
Hey, can you hear me wherever you are? I'm praying to angels and wishing on stars. We'll find each other no matter how far, 'cause 5,000 miles is
Now it's time to remove your dollar store flower tips and add your paper roses.
Frozen in a crowded room full of strangers, where are you, my love?
Now for the actual books, you're going to want to put them in some type of a clear film so that they don't get any tape on them.
Your kiss again.
As for the stems of the books, I used 3 grill skewers on each book. By the way, a shout out to my sister Brianna for assisting me with this project. Next step is you're going to be taking tissue paper of your choosing and wrapping your bouquet.
To take the blame.